In this screencast, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a website for a business in just a few minutes. And this type of website is not an e-commerce website. We're going to be creating a website for an electrician. So let's see how you can do that really easily. So firstly, you go to seller.com, that's SELLR.com, and you enter your email address there. Let's register for an account here. So if I do that now, and the name of our store is going to be Sparky Bath. This is an electrician. Great, so you just register that there, click on get started, and it gives you the details you need to log in. So you just click on login, enter the password, I'm going to tick the boxes to keep me logged in. It will say, what would you like to do? I'm going to click on create a website with information on it. No items for sale. So this shows a quick start checklist page of what you need to do. There's only 2 steps. You design your website and you connect your domain name. So let's click on design your site and click on edit primary website. So this is what we call the website theme builder, and you'll see here this is a kind of blank theme at the moment. We've got a header section at the top, a main section area here, and a footer here, and all in all it creates a website that's great looking, responsive, so it works on all mobile devices and everything really well, and it's really professional. It's like the kind of sites that much more expensive systems will give you. So if we take a look at this bottom button on the left hand side here, it's called Manage Content Blocks. This is how you build the actual site. So the header, just leave the header and the footer as the default one, but you can change the main section blocks here, which is what we're going to be doing in this demo. And so by default, it has just a banner image. We're actually going to add something to that as well, and we're going to add an SEO text area. So you just click on that, and that will appear once you close this pop-up. There we go. Right. So now what we need to do is add. Actually, at the top, we'll add our logo. So if I click on the L icon, click on Browse. So I've created a really simple logo here in Microsoft Paint. Actually, it took me about 2 minutes. I'll click on logo. This is it's 500 pixels wide by 100 high. You can do whatever you like, just a kind of experiment. I'll add that now. Click here to upload. So sparkybath.co.uk. So you'll need a domain name. I used a company called 123reg to register this one, but you can use any domain name registrar that you want. It's entirely up to you. And so we've got the logo at the top now. Now we need an image in the central kind of banner area. You just click on the tree icon there, and it says the size. Image target size 2000 times 600. Now you may be thinking, where are you going to get an image from? I'm going to use an image that I've just downloaded from a site called Pixabay. If I just go there now, and on Pixabay, that's pixabay.com, you can just simply search for things and choose an image that you want to download. I've actually chosen that one there, but obviously there's loads on there. You can page through them. This is a particularly good site because there are license-free images on there. You want to be really careful about the images that you use. Make sure you've got the correct license and are allowed to use it on your website. But I've downloaded one from here, which I'm going to use now. So back to here. If you remember, I clicked on the tree icon here on the right-hand side. You can actually have lots of banners with this thing, but I'm just going to use one. So click on that tree icon there. Select Browse. Now it says the size 2000 by 600. The original image I downloaded was a bit bigger. And so I resized it in Paint. There's a really good download you can get called Pix Resizer, Pix Resizer. That's a kind of Windows application you can download, and that will help you resize images as well. Makes it really easy, but you can do that however you like. So this is 2000 by 600. I'll upload that. I'll put here electrician in Bath in the alt text. Click here to upload. Close that window there. So there we've got a great image at the top of the website. Now, down the next section, you want to make sure you include keywords on your page so that people find you in the search engines. And this SEO text area is kind of everything's laid out and optimized to allow you to do that. But you might be thinking, what keywords you're actually going to put in there? Rather than just guess, click on this SEO button on the left-hand side. Click the link at the top that says click for keywords you should include on this page. So I'm going to type in electrician. And so that will go across, and it will go and ask Google what type of keyword it's looking for on pages like this, and it comes back with loads of them here. So I'm going to choose some of those keywords and insert them on the page. So let's just do that now. So there we go. To edit the text sections, you just click on them and type in what you want. And I've centered these. You highlight that and click on that button there. So that looks great. Don't forget to click on Save Changes at the bottom. So let's save that. Like I say, so we've got electrician and bath, the best electrician and bath for all your electrical needs, including emergency electrician services and maintenance, electrical emergency call-out service fixture. So what I've done is I've peppered it with keywords that people might actually search for, and I've put our phone number in there as well, which is really, really important. So let's move all the way up to the top. Now, another important thing here, there's a text area on the left-hand side. I'm going to put our phone number in there as well. So let's just do that. In fact, you can remove the icons to make it slightly easier, although there is that bit at the top. Let's do that. Call us now on that number. Make that bold. And again, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Great, bring those back. So that's great. Now the other thing we can do here is this menu system at the top. We just want to have home and contact us. So delete the second one there that's there by default. And add new menu item, and we'll have contact us. And select new page for that. Click on add new at the bottom. Close that window there. And then you want to click on the contact us link that you just added. Go into manage content blocks. Expand main section blocks. And add the contact block at the top, which I've just done. Now I'm going to edit this text here. So we're called Sparky Bath. And click on Save Changes again. So that's great. To get back, you can either click on Home or just click on the logo at the top. And the final thing we need to do is at the bottom, we've got some other menus down here. So let's put Services. We can have another Contact Us down there. This one, let's put electrical. Basically what you're doing is you're trying to put keywords in as much as you can. So down here, services, expand the menu there, add new button. I'm just going to new page. I don't know, house rewiring, socket replacement. You know, you can put whatever you like down there. And of course, these are going to create new pages. And what you want to do with those is when you do that, you click on them, and then you would go into the content blocks. You'd add a section in the main section. I'm just going to put in here. You could put an SEO text area to be honest, so I'm just going to put a general text area there. And so then you can literally put in whatever you like on each of those pages. Because what you want to do, you want to add loads of content on the site. You want to write about all the different services that you provide, because that will get people in to your website. Because if they're searching for electrician in bath, house rewiring, then Google's going to know that you're the company that's going to supply that service, because you've got all this kind of detail on your website. So it will really like that. So I'm just going to expand this button here as well. Let's put electrical engineer. New page, add new. So obviously, as I mentioned, you can put whatever you like on there. So the other thing you want to do actually is you want to add a mobile image, because you want to make sure this is mobile responsive. So on that banner, click on the tree icon there, and then click on mobile at the top, and it will say you need an image for 460 by 460. So I'll just choose the image we've got for that there. It's just 460, there we go. Put in some alt text there. And so then if we close edit mode now, and we click on preview website, we can see we've got a great looking website. It shows exactly how to contact you. Home, contact us. You can click on contact us. They can send you a message. Got all these links, SEO links and text there as well. And when you make the page narrower, you'll see exactly what it looks like on a mobile, so they can easily find your details on a mobile as well. It's really, really easy. Hopefully you see from this screencast that literally in just a few minutes you can create a great looking website for your business, and hopefully that's going to get you loads more customers.